Hi, my name is Cristian Romero. Today I'm going to explain the Cockpit Instrument. For starters, flight instrument give cabin crew data on the status of the aircraft in flight such as altitude, airspeed, vertical speed, heading, etc. These instruments help safety during flight as scenarios can occur where the pilot uses instruments such as the artificial horizon. Okay, having this little introduction to aerial navigation instrument, let's talk about some of them. Altimeter. The altimeter shows us the altitude of the aircraft relative to the sea level. This consists of two needles, the smaller that marks the thousand and the longest the hundreds, of these in feet. Worldwide, this altitude is measured in hectopascal, except for North America and Japan, where inches of mercury. The altimeter is adjustable for a local barometric pressure that must be adjustable correctly for accurate altitude readings, usually in feet or meters. To take account the altitude is now designated as the height. The altitude is with respect to the sea level and the height with respect to land. Air, Airspeed indicator. The airspeed indicator shows the speed of the aircraft relative to the surrounding air or around the aircraft. It moves in knots in most cases, but in some it is measured in km for hours. Example: we have the functional of the airspeed indicator. The air insert by pair tube and insert this diagram and move this object and move the needle. Magnetic compass. The compass shows the direction of the aircraft relative to the magnetic north, but this should always be correct as the wiring system of the aircraft can alter the compass. This can also be altered by twist, ascent, and descent of accelerator. Or example of the magnetic compass on your phone and videos where the gun is or the personnel is share the magnetic north with the weapon. Hearing indicator. The hearing indicator, also known as the directional gyroscope or DG, show the direction of the aircraft at the compass points and with respect to the magnetic north when set with the compass. Like the magnetic compass, this must be periodically correct. Altitude indicator, also known as artificial horizon, shows the relationship of the aircraft with the horizon. This instrument is of great help to the pilot, since the pilot can be determined if the wings are tilted and if the nose of the aircraft is pointing above or below the horizon. This combined in favorable weather conditions as this can be a good guide of the pilot. Your unit is great. Turn indicator. This consists of several instruments. These include the turn and slide indicator and the turn coordinator, which indicate rotation of the longitudinal axis. They include an inclinometer to indicate whether the aircraft is in coordinate flight or on a slip or skid. Additional, the marks indicate a standard rate turn. Rotation speed is most commonly expressed is in degrees for second or minutes for turn. the very high frequency of mid-dimensional range, or simply B or ear. The B or ear indicator, like the turn indicator, consists of another set of indicators, which includes a course derivation indicator, or CDI, and on-bearing selector, OBS, and two from indicator and this indicator and indicators. The CDI displays the lateral position of the aircraft relative to a select radial runway. It is outside of orientation tracking to or from a station, and course intersection on the instrument. The vertical needle indicates the side position of the select track. A horizontal needle allows the pilot to follow a slight slope when the instrument is usually with a ILS. Non-directional radio beacon, or simply NDB. The automatic steering finder IDF indicator instrument can be a fixed car, a mobile car, or a magnetic radio indicator, or RMI. And RMI is remotely coupled to a gyro to automatically rotate the azimuth card to represent the direction of the aircraft, while simple ADF displays can have a single needle. A typical RMI has two coupled to the different ADF received along the position to the fixed using a instrument.